Shalini Mishra.
Good
morning to all. As we are here to know awareness about AIDS. The HIV human immunodeficiency virus, it destroys the immune system of human body. This virus causes AIDS disease. The person affected by AIDS is become carrier of them and infects other persons. Symptoms of AIDS. Within a few weeks of HIV infection, the person weight loss, fatigue, flu-like symptoms are caused. Preventions of HIV virus. Educate yourself and others. Don't share the needle and syringe or don't use it before, after one use. Be cautious about blood products.
एक बार उधर से आके देखना, हम लोग देखने चाहिए।
Every year on 1st December, the World AIDS Day is celebrated. People around the world unite to show support for people living with and affected by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, and to remember those who lost their lives due to AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This World AIDS Day on AIDS is highlighting the urgent need to end the inequalities that drive AIDS and other pandemics around the world. World AIDS Day is founded in 1988. World AIDS Day was the first ever global health day. World AIDS Day is important because it reminds public and government that HIV is not gone away. We have to fight it with equality. Then, thank you.
Yeah.
These are the few information about AIDS. Now we have 10 standard students to tell you about some preventions we had to take while this AIDS day. What prevention we have to take. So Muskan is here with us.
I wish a very cheerful good morning to all of you present here. As you all know that we all are gathered here to know something information about today's World AIDS Day. So as we all know that prevention is better than cure, so I am going to tell all of you some preventions to protect ourselves from AIDS. So first of all, early diagnosis and assessment. And the second is that HIV testing and treatment. By doing HIV testing, we can prevent ourselves from AIDS. Never share needles and use sterile needles. As Shalini Didi said, we should not use the syringe once after use. And provide antiretroviral treatment, early treatment of HIV infected pregnant women, avoid unprotected relationship, and HIV infected mothers should feed their baby formula milk. That's all. Thank you. Myself, Nikita from class 10. I am going to tell you measures to prevent AIDS. World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st March. Open your eyes before AIDS is there. AIDS today is not a death sentence. It can be treated as a chronic illness or chronic disease. HIV infected to pregnant women also. Everyone between the ages of 13 and 64 get tested at least once. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ayush also with us for some GK questions. But beforehand, let me also share something with you because for 9th standard students, I think so it is the first time you people were listening about this word AIDS, isn't it? Yes. Like as we all know that past 2 years we will be suffering from this corona pandemic. AIDS is also a kind of a pandemic disease. AIDS एक बीमारी है जिसके पीछे जो वायरस होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. We have studied in science that for every disease some viruses and bacteria are responsible, isn't it? So for this AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency disease, the full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency disease, and for this disease the virus which is responsible is HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. When this virus attacks your body, it lowers the immune system of yours. Okay, आपके शरीर में किसी भी बीमारी से लड़ने की एक प्रतिरोधक क्षमता होती है। अगर आपको ये बीमारी होती है तो धीरे धीरे आपका जो शरीर है बीमारियों से लड़ने की क्षमता को क्या कर लेता है, कम कर लेता है, और एक समय ऐसा आता है कि इंसान की क्या हो जाती है, मृत्यु हो जाती है। ओके, सो दिस इज द एड्स डिजीज. So every year 1st of December is celebrated, is observed as World AIDS Day, so as to create awareness to the people that how you can prevent yourself from this pandemic disease. Okay?
Happy birthday to you, dear Mikasa. Birthday to you.
God bless you. Happy birthday, Beta.
Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to call all. Sorry. And I will ask the questions related to AIDS. Yeah. So all of you answer the questions as soon as possible. Okay.
Yes.
So first of all, class senior sections, all to 9 to 11 senior sections. First question: which day is celebrated as AIDS?
1st December.
1st December.
Nice. Then what is the full form of AIDS?
Acquired immune deficiency syndrome.
What is the full form of AIDS?
Acquired immune deficiency disease syndrome.
Chance?
Eh?
Yes, a chance. Tell me. What is the
Acquired-
full form of AIDS?
Acquired immune deficiency syndrome.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Who says Delhi?
Akshat.
Who says Delhi? That's the right answer.
Yeah.
Then after, in which year National AIDS Organization was established? 1992. 1992. That's the right answer. 1992.
Yeah.
In which year? One more time, okay? In which year National AIDS Organization was established? Yeah, that's the right answer. 1998.
अरे 92. लगा तो मैं इसको.
In which year National AIDS Organization was established? 1992. Observed is there and established in 1998.
1998.
1992.
अरे यार.
अरे what confusion.
पता नहीं मारो तो सालू.
या ऑब्जर्व एक मिनट सुनिए. ऑब्जर्व हुआ था 1998 में और जब 1988 में और एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था 1992 में.
हाँ.
All clear?
हाँ.
Then after which day is celebrated as World AIDS Vaccine Day?
18.
Only you check, you know. Only a single answer.
New question. What is the Mahatma Gandhi of India? मतलब सीजी कुछ ना.
कुछ. Yes, ask.
AIDS is caused due to.
HIV.
Yeah, good.
Goods बोलता है.
चल
Which
नहीं.
international agency has adopted a political declaration to end AIDS by the year of 2030? Option.
First, UN General Assembly. Second, IMF. Third, WHO.
UN General क्या है? वही.
Yeah, that's the right answer.
Yes.
Yes.
किसका है?
World AIDS Day.
For any kind of awareness is very important. Okay? So every day is important. Every day is special.
अभी नहीं.
So today, as you know that today we are celebrating World AIDS Day. So you should create awareness not for yourself also, but to your
प्रैक्टिकल करके बता दूंगा
societies
वेट्स के बारे में.
Okay? किसी भी चीज के
है ना?
बारे में बात करना कोई बुरी बात
वही तो
नहीं है. जब आप
तो practical करने का
awareness
मौका नहीं
create
मिले ना.
करते हैं, तो आप अपना एक कंट्रीब्यूशन देते हैं सोसाइटी के लिए टू मेक द सोसाइटी अ बेटर प्लेस टू सर्वाइव. isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
So you people also have a responsibility for creating the awareness. इसके लिए ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको कोई प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जाए या स्टेज दिया जाए. In your surroundings also you can create this awareness that what all these important factors and things that has to be taken care of. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much all of you and have a nice day ahead.
Yeah.